turn up.
I have been gone for like 3 weeks or so, but I really just needed a time off YouTube because my videos, I was so not proud of them. I felt like I was rushing them because I put in my head that I had to upload twice a week. Like I just couldn't make my videos in 2 days, so I started just uploading sit-down videos 2 times a week, and I really wasn't proud of my videos anymore. But I really thought about the videos that I want to make again. I'm gonna start uploading once a week again, just because I prefer one good video than 2 rushed ones that I'm like not proud of. But yeah, I have been in a freaking summer mood for the last 3 or 4 weeks. Like I've been literally just laying outside tanning, enjoying the sun because the weather has been so good. I actually was just sunbathing. I had my bikini on. So I was like, I should probably decorate my room for the season as well. Like summer where I live starts in like 2 weeks and ends at the end of September. So it's a pretty long season we have here and I want to be in the mood for it. So I decided to decorate my room. I didn't make any DIYs, well just 2, but it wasn't really a DIY. But I'm just gonna show you how I decorated everything. And yeah, everything in my room right now is really like beach and Hawaii, surf, pineapples. I don't know, it's just like really summery right now and I love it. Also real quick, I wanted to talk about a brand. They sent me a bunch of chalkboard markers. My favorites are the metallic markers, which I have right here. I use them in my planner all the time and I write on paper. It doesn't pass onto the other side of the paper. I don't know if that makes sense, but most markers do and these ones don't, and they're really pretty and you should totally check them out. I will leave their website down below. You can also get them on Amazon, and they also gave me a discount code for 15% off if you buy it on either Amazon or their website, which is 15 off in. I will put the code right here. So you should totally go check them out because they're really nice and they're markers. Like I love them. Thank you Chalkola for sending me these. I've literally been using them so much in my planner. Okay, now with everything said, let's get started.
If I was Jay-Z, you'd be my Beyonce, we can rock the nation.
So the first thing I'm doing is just gathering all of my summer room decor that I stored away when winter came. So my dresser and the shelves above them were pretty plain and I wanted to add some summer vibes to them. So I got this sign that says be happy and it's a flip-flop and I just put that on a shelf.
Going back to you, back to you.
Then beside that I got these 2 little like beach fans, which I love. I want one of these when I'm older. Yeah, definitely.
If you want to, we'll take.
I had this really cute little Polaroid notebook thing where you can store them. Fun fact, I went outside just to take this Polaroid picture of palm trees just for my room. Now moving on to my dresser, I am adding this cactus to it, which I think is so summery. I feel like cactuses just like scream summer. I also got this pineapple lamp and I am making my mood board for summer this time. So I just added a bunch of like stickers and stuff to it that scream summer. There's like a little turtle, waves, I don't know, I feel like it's really cute. And I also got this cute wall decor with a palm tree leaf, yeah, and this postcard from Hawaii that couldn't miss in my collection. So another really easy thing I did was just take away all my like really warm coats that I'm not gonna wear anymore and put my bikinis there instead, and I feel like this adds such a summery vibe, not even kidding. So as you can see, I have a bunch of like summer wall art just because I've been collecting this for a long time now. And yeah, this I actually made in a DIY video. I put it on top of my mirror and above that I hang this fun in the sun sign with a beach fan on it.
When she passed me by and gave up.
And this is the reality of me trying to hang anything up on my wall. Ugh. Yeah, that happens pretty often. But anyways, I wanted to add even more summer wall art, so I got a surf magazine and I actually like teared out pages of waves, put them on a clipboard and hang them on my wall. And this was like literally €2 and it looks so cute. I I didn't really know how to decorate my desk for summer because I feel like desks are desks, you can't really decorate them. But I found out that my freaking lamp is magnetic, so I added magnets to them, like summer magnets. And yeah, this is how my room turned out.
Like helium.
That is how I decorated my room for this summertime. I hope you guys like how it turned out and got inspiration to decorate your room for summer. So now I can film a bunch of summer videos in my room, which I'm really excited about. I've already planned a ton of them, so keep an eye out for that. Subscribe if you don't want to miss them. And yeah, I guess that's everything for this week's video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week. Bye!